Hey guys, I'm Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to make coffee, how to make my coffee. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just want to be different and like cute. So if you want to learn how to make coffee, keep watching because that's what I'm going to do. First, we're going to talk about the ingredients. You can do this two different ways. You can do this two different ways, so I'll show you. Now, I need to let you guys know I like my coffee really sugary. So if you guys don't like sugary coffee, then like dilute it to make it less sugary. But I like my coffee sugary. First and foremost is the base. The base being the cup. You can get a regular Starbucks. See, I like to be bougie. I like to believe that I'm at Starbucks because we're in a pandemic and I don't want to keep going to Starbucks and risking people's lives out there. So I'm going to be smart and make my own coffee at home, which I'm showing you right now. Anyway, like I said, the first thing to do is add your ice cubes. Add about 6 ice cubes. Next is the second base is the caramel. I like caramel. You can use any type of sauce, but I like caramel sauce. So this is Ghirardelli chocolate premium sauce caramel. This is kind of hands-free. So here's what you open like this. You open it, take it, and you do the Starbucks thing. Hold on. And you just do the thing that Starbucks does, really swirl it around because, you're a barista now. You have to take on that life. Okay, so this is gonna be probably where I stop it at. Next, you can go either two ways. You can use your super coffee that you got from Sprouts, or you can use your blonde Starbucks, actual Starbucks coffee by Starbucks, for Starbucks fans by Starbucks. So either way, you use these two, or you use them together, or you use them separate. I'm not telling you how to live your life. I'm just telling you this is what I use. Now I have to inform you, this is super coffee. This is a healthy type of coffee. I got this at Sprouts. Super coffee, it has 0G sugars, 50 calories, 7G protein, and it's naturally sweetened mocha. If you ever had like stevia, the sweet leaf that kind of tastes like, you know what I'm trying to say? If you don't like the aftertaste of the sweet leaf, that's what this is gonna have in it, so you may not like it. But if you do, then you will like it. It tastes, it's good. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. Basically, so this is what comes. I'm gonna tell you the ingredients because now I'm a health person now. I switched my role, sorry. So this actually has no lactose, no gluten, no sugar alcohol, but the positive side, it has Colombian coffee, 0 sugar, protein, MCT oil, and monk fruit. The Starbucks coffee, it just has, you're just drinking Starbucks coffee. I was interrupted. I'm not interrupted anymore. This is the blonde roast unsweetened. You can go either way. I don't know which one I'm gonna do today, TBH. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I decided to switch up the game. I'm going to use my McDonald's coffee. This is really, really good. You can get this, I don't know where you can get this. but I get it at I forgot. I'm gonna use, it's the McDonald's Frappe's delicious smooth McDonald's Frappe vanilla. I'm just gonna use a little bit of it because it has coffee in it. It just tastes so good. So like this one, I'm gonna put all of it. First, next is creamer. So this is also a creamer. This is vanilla caramel creamer. I'm not gonna use this. So what I'm going to do is use the barista creamer edition. Now this is so cool. I just found this at Sprouts. Hello, I'm sponsored by Sprouts, just kidding. So this is basically what, like, I don't know, it's just like barista. So the ingredients is filtered water, whole grain oats, contains of less 2% of less cane sugar, prostate, and salt. This barely has any sugar in it. It just tastes so, it's just like a creamer, but it just tastes so good. Like it just kind of enhances that situation. Okay, and so then what you do use is your oat milk creamer. It is creamy vanilla, it's soy, so, and then it's good. And then I just put this much in here, okay, a bit more, and then I will use my Anderson milk. It is a 1%, no it's not, it's just fat-free milk. I'll put that in here, fill it, and then I'll add my caramel back to it, and then I'll add that to it like this, like so, and then you come out with delicious looking Starbucks material. Is this not Starbucks material? It is. I think it is. And you put the straw in it. And this is what you get. Isn't it so cute? Like, can you? So, this is what your Starbucks drink is gonna look like. Honestly, it's so good. You cannot tell me this is not good. Try it at home. See what you like. Always experiment with your coffees because right now you can. And just find what you like. It took me a while to find what I like. Also, you know, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, make a comeback in the my daughter's screaming because she's having so much fun. Don't worry, she's not, you know. She is just having the time of her life. Anyway, I will get back to you. I'll get back to, I don't know. Did you notice my hair? I cut my hair. Through this pandemic, you go through phases where you want to do crazy things to your either body or your hair, and I chose my hair. I cut my own bangs. It wasn't that hard, TBH. It was pretty simple. So remember, makeup comes off at the end of the day, but your heart is the same. I love you guys so much. Goodbye.